Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about solving an equation with fractions when a greatest common factor is needed. Go ahead and grab your notebook, write this down so that you can work right along with us and keep your notes for your homework. Okay, first things first, we've got a fraction involved here. You'll see that we have three chunks. They're technically called terms. I like to call them chunks. Chunks are broken up by addition, subtraction, and equal sign. So we got these three chunks. Now, I want to turn all of my chunks into fractions, and I can do that by just putting it over 1. All right, now I've got fractions, 3 fractions here. Now, when we're adding and subtracting fractions, remember we need a common denominator. 5, 1, and 1, our common denominator is going to be 5. Multiply this by 5, this by 5, because if I do it downstairs, got to do it upstairs. Denominator, numerator. All right, let's rewrite this guy. We have 4p over 5 plus 35p over 5 equals 50 over 5. Okay, so all of our chunks now are fractions. Do they all have this? Do all of our chunks have the same common denominator? Yes. Do you have an equal sign? Also, yes. This only works with equations which have equal signs. This does not work with expressions when you're simplifying. All right, so if we have a common denominator for all our chunks, if we have an equal sign, we can cross that common denominator out, and look at that, we have gotten rid of our fractions. I love it. We have 4p plus 35p equals 50. That gives us 39p equals 50. Okay, so we've got 39 times p, the opposite of p of multiplying is dividing, so we're going to divide both sides by 39 to get that p by itself. All right, so what we have now is p equals 50 over 39. Now I look at this and I think, okay, 39, 3 plus 9 is 12, and 3 goes into 12, so 3 is going to go into 39. In fact, it's 3 times 13. I don't think 3 can go into 50 and 13 can't go into 50. So this is as reduced as the fraction is going to get. Remember, leave your answer as an improper fraction in the most reduced form, unless your problem starts with a decimal, then you can end it with a decimal, or it's a word problem and a decimal makes more sense. So we're going to leave it just like this. Your answer right here is 50 over 39. This is called clearing your fractions, guys, and make sure that when you do this, you only do it when you have an equal sign. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.